All right, guys, let's go ahead and see. Up next, we're going to be checking out Michelle's shop. And Michelle was one of our members that showed up last week. So let's go ahead and check her shop out. And you're so welcome, Julie. Thank you for showing up today. Okay, guys, we got Michelle, and she has cement products made with positive creativity. All right. Out of Round Rock, Texas, 19 items. So that's a good start there. And let's see here. Just Jinxed with love. Hey there. I'm just Jinx, Michelle. Okay, I like it. You got a good little bio here. We've got a nice your little details down here showing off who's working on your shop. So that's good to see. Processing time, returns, all of those details look nice. So that's important. So important to get your shop foundation put together. So let's look at some of your actual products that we got here. This one looks interesting. Geometric planter, geometric plant pot, geometric plant holder, geometric planter with drainage, pen holder for desk. Okay, great. So the keywords look good. Let's check them out. I like that they're all nicely spaced out and they're super easy to, see where they start and end and all the different keywords you got there. And there we go. First keyword is a really good one with 7,700 results. So that's very positive, very, very good. And let's see here. So geometric plant pot. I would like to see, because that one sounds a little bit more pottery based. Let's see here. That's also a good one. 7,500. Now you even might, I think this is clay. It seems like it's clay. I don't know how you actually make this. Maybe it's not clay. How do you make this? Is this clay or is this something else? Cement. Ah, ha, ha. Okay, I remember now. I remember it was in there. Cement. Okay, looks great. It looks really, really great. So I don't think if it was clay, I would say maybe call it out, but I don't know if people search for cement as much. So geometric cement plant pot. Let's see. So it definitely makes it a lot smaller. If you've got 800, it only gives you 844. I do think you should put cement in here somewhere though. So you could do, let's just see what geometric. So you should, I think it would be good for you to mix in one keyword with the material into the title. It doesn't have to be, it could be like the third keyword, but look, so geometric planter had 7,774. And then geometric cement planter only has 1,140. So it's definitely a lot smaller, but it's a great keyword because it's really relevant. It's exactly what your product is. So it would be great for you to have that keyword in the listing title somewhere for the people that, want cement and care about that. And then also for anybody else that comes in and are looking at it. I know it says right here, the materials, but I still usually look at the listing title first to try to figure out what a product is made out of. So I would mix in the word cement at least in one of these keywords somewhere. So let's look at the product itself. So the photos are good. I think your photos across the board are really good. They're bright. Looks like you got a nice little light box going on. Simple planter, candle vessel, just concrete. Oh, there you go. And you got concrete as well. So you can do concrete. When you have the same word multiple times, like right here, you've got candle, vessels, concrete. And then down here, you've got concrete, candle holder. So a better way to do that would be to mix up the materials. So on this one, you could do candle, vessels, concrete. And then here, you should do cement candle holder. That way you're just kind of, you're touching as many different keywords as you can. So call it cement sometimes, call it candle. Just like if you're selling, like my shop, where I sell decals, I try to mix up the keywords and go wall decor, wall art, decal, and a few others. It's not well exemplified in that listing, but if you mix up the different things, it will help you reach a little bit more people. So let's go through this one. Okay. And let's see down here. This planner does not automatically come with drainage holes. If you want one, please leave a message in the notes saying that you want one. It does come with a tray. There we go. So there's the little tray. Bubbles may occur, some items. Now, okay, so the one thing, and I know this might seem obvious, you should just put up here in the details, you know, one planter is included with quantity of one, just to make sure no one thinks it's a set. Maybe it's just me being a little OCD, but on all of my listings, I always put a very clear breakdown of everything that's included. So you can see I've got 12 big fish, 21 little fish, you know, all these different details here. So yours is not nearly as many little pieces as mine, but I think it'd be great to just say, you know, comes with one, you know, some way you need to describe it, to say one quantity of one equals one planter. Yeah, and just, you could do it because it does come with a tray. So you could do this, you know, this comes with the following: one planter, one tray, something like that. And that would help clarify a little bit. There's the tray. Now, what are these red hearts for? I guess they're just accent pieces or something. And there we go. So yeah, all together looks great. The pictures are great. They're clear. I don't see any photos that have like pens or plants in there. So, and I didn't see any on this one either. So you know, I think it's a great opportunity for you to, would be to put, you could get like a little tiny potted plant, maybe even something really cute and pretty, because the prettier it is, the more people are going to fall in love with it. You could get like a really small little flower that you could, that's in like a plastic pot that you could just drop into this thing. That would be really cool to have. So that would just make it a little bit easier for people to kind of see. I got to check out this booty planter. These are so funny. Oh, that's a good idea, Trisha. Everybody loves the succulents. Succulents are great. So put some little green succulents. They even have succulent flowers, so those are good too. We got booty woman, gifts for her, Valentine's Day gift, minimalist, big booty. This is so funny. You know what? If you made this a coffee cup, oh my gosh, I think that would literally be the best. People, I would buy that for sure. If you had a booty coffee cup, that'd be so funny. That'd be so funny. It's like a, you know, I don't even think you need to have a handle on it. It just needs to be the booty coffee mug. So this one looks really good. I like big butts, and I cannot lie. It's funny. You like smacking a booty, but just can't find a real one. Here's a fun one. It might break if it flies. Okay. I love the personality there. So your shop is looking good. Now, one thing that's a bit of a challenge here is your shipping costs are pretty high. So, you know, if you're shipping, so just kind of a rule of thumb, people are only going to want to pay such a large percentage of their product in shipping costs. So if somebody bought this for $18.50 and then they've got to buy shipping for another $12, that takes their total order to like $30. So what I kind of would recommend would be to price this a few dollars higher. I think I haven't seen a lot of, you know, I'm sure there's other people out there that offer something simpler, but booty planners, $13, $12.99, $16.99. So there's definitely a lot of different options out there. $20. Rob has a good suggestion, $5 to $6 max for shipping, and I would agree. That's usually kind of what I think. I don't think your shipping should be much more than, you know, $4.99 or $5.99. So what I think, you know, would be to, I would recommend maybe raise the price of this to like $24. So that's like $6 more, and then drop the price of this by $6. So you're pricing up here. And I don't see any reason to do 50 because it doesn't help you. Might as well just charge it 99 cents and get that last remaining 99 cents. So on this one, you could charge $24.99 or $23.99. And then down here, you could do $4.99 shipping. And I think $4.99 shipping is kind of the best, and to not charge much more than that, because it, you know, everybody can be like, it's only $5. It's like a coffee. But once it gets much more above $6, it just kind of gets too much. So That would be kind of my suggestion. But altogether, I think this is a great looking shop, Michelle. Really cute. And I think you've got wonderful items. I would recommend bringing a little bit more life into them with some succulents, some little plants. These guys are a little dark on the front. This one, the background is too well illuminated. And honestly, I would prefer a background that contrasts it more strongly. So the background kind of blends in a little bit too much. So maybe get some more stuff in there to kind of mix it up and renew your listings and see if you can get that cost of your shipping down a little bit. But let's see what the date is on this one, 23rd. So that's pretty good. You could renew these about once a week, and that should help you start to get traction. All right, let's see. Marwa asks, when I put $10 fixed price for shipping, it not allow me to do that. Do you know why? Etsy only accepts $5. I've not heard of that, Marwa. You must be doing something wrong, because Etsy will definitely let you charge more for shipping if you'd like to. Diane, I have that same problem with my ceramics because they are heavy. Yeah, ceramics are a tough, anything kind of like this is definitely a bit of a challenge. So I think you're doing the right thing, Diane, by just pricing it higher and putting free shipping. But you can even price it higher. People aren't really against paying $4.99 for shipping. I just think they're against paying like 10 or 12 bucks. Okay, you put shipping for $5, but shipping actually costs around $8.50. Yeah, so it basically, I'm saying to get your shipping costs reduced from 12 bucks, just go ahead and just go ahead and increase your overall item price. That way, you can see what you can reduce the item, you can increase the item price and reduce the shipping cost, but you don't have to do free shipping.